The title of our prototype is Robotic Bomb Disposal Hand and the theme is Defense and Security. My institute name is Dronacharya Group of Institution. We have submitted video as a part of National Innovation Contest of Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and AICTE. I am Satrishipal, the leader of the team, brings a wealth of expertise and integrity to this project. As the solo member, from the initial design through RC circuit to the advanced upgrade using computer vision, I am currently studying in Dronacharya Group of Institution. My mentor is Sangamitra Arora. Assistant professor has been guiding force in the journey. With a wealth of expertise in robotics and engineering, her mentorship has provided invaluable insight and direction, facilitating the progress and growth. Her guidance has been instrumental in navigating challenge and optimizing the project's development trajectory. Our innovation lies in the integration of advanced AI algorithm and computer vision technology within our robotic hand solution. This allows for real-time adaptation and precise manipulation of objects, enhancing safety and efficiency in handling hazardous material. The adaptive grip feature enables the robotic hand to dynamically adjust its grip based on object characteristics, ensuring safe handling in diverse environments. Additionally, the remote operation capabilities empower users to control the robotic hand from a safer distance, minimizing the risk of exposure to hazardous substance. This combination of cutting-edge technology sets our solution apart, offering a comprehensive and versatile approach to hazardous material handling. Our innovation builds upon the previous work involving flex sensor technology, metal contact, servo mechanism, and RC circuit. Initially, our prototype employed flex sensor and a metal contact mechanism to trigger servo movement. However, recognizing the limitation of this approach, we upgraded our solution by integrating computer vision and AI algorithm. This transformation allows for real-time object recognition and precise hand movement, enhancing safety and versatility in hazardous material handling. By leveraging these advancements alongside our remote operation capabilities, our solutions represent a significant evolution in robotic hand technology, ensuring safer and more efficient handling across diverse applications. Our solution holds significant business potential and addresses a wide user market. Industries such as nuclear science, bomb disposal, space exploration, and manufacturing, where hazardous material handling is difficult, represent key target market. The demand for safer and more efficient solutions in this sector is substantial, indicating a large user base. Additionally, government agencies, research institutions, and private companies involved in hazardous material management and potential customers with our innovative robotic hand technology offering enhanced safety and operation efficiency, we anticipate strong market acceptance and sustained growth opportunity across various industries and sectors globally. The upgraded version of our robotic hand utilizes computer vision technology to enhance its feature and versatility. So we have developed object recognition. The system employs computer vision algorithm to analyze visual input from camera installed in the robotic hand. These algorithms enable the system to recognize and classify objects in its vicinity based on predefined parameters. Second is gesture recognition. Through computer vision, the system can also recognize hand gesture and movement made by the user. This feature allows for intuitive control of the robotic hand without the need of physical interface and controllers. Third point is real-time feedback. The computer vision system provides real-time feedback to the user, enabling them to monitor the robotic hand action and adjust them as necessary. This feedback loop ensures precise and accurate manipulation of object. Remote operation. The computer vision enables remote operation of the robotic hand, allowing user to control it from a safe distance using visual feedback from cameras. This capability is especially valuable in hazardous environments where direct human interaction is unsafe. Overall, the integration of computer vision technology enhances the robotic hand capabilities, making it more intuitive, adaptable, and efficient in handling a wide range of tasks and objects. Thank you, Ministry of Education and Innovation Cell and AICT.